हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज़ मनीषा राय। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ल्यूसिड क्लासेस। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अप्रैल मंथ की टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, अटल इनोवेशन मिशन लॉन्च द सेकेंड एडिशन ऑफ द ऑन 28 अप्रैल 2022। आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, अटल न्यू इंडिया चैलेंज। अटल न्यू इंडिया चैलेंज हमारा सेकेंड फेज़ है जो कि लॉन्च हुआ था 28 अप्रैल को 2022 में। एंड इसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है ऑफ द अटल इनोवेशन मिशन इज़ टू क्रिएट एंड प्रमोट एन इकोसिस्टम ऑफ इनोवेशन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अक्रॉस द कंट्री विया इंटरवेंशंस एट स्कूल, यूनिवर्सिटी एंड इंडस्ट्री लेवल्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट है हमारा विच डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज द वर्ल्ड वेटरिनरी डे इन 2022। Option is D, 30th April. So the World Veterinary Day is observed on the last Sunday of April every year, and in 2022 it is on April 30, and the aims is to spread awareness about animal health and care. Question 3, in which city Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated the 12 national highway projects on 29th April 2022? Answer is option D, Hyderabad. So इसे इनाग्रेट किया था नितिन गडकरी जी ने। एंड इसमें अगर हम बात करें डिस्टेंस की तो 460 किलोमीटर है इसका डिस्टेंस जिसके लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट्स है। और इसमें मनी लगी है आपकी ₹8,000 CR. Okay, and the key point is these projects will boost interstate connectivity by enabling seamless travel between Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Question 5, in which state UT Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the projects worth 20,000 crore in April 2022? Answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. So this is inaugurated on 24th April, and the additional information is Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor is Manoj Sinha and the Chief Secretary is Arun Kumar Mehta. Next, question 6. The International Monetary Fund has slashed India's growth forecast for 22-23 from 9% estimated in January 2022. Answer is option C, 8.2%. And the key point is the multilateral agencies has projected India's growth to slow to 6.9% in 23 to 24 from 7.2%, okay, estimated earlier. And the second key point is the IMF estimated India's inflation to average 6.1% in 2022-23. Next, question 7, who has been appointed as Executive Secretary and Defense Advisor to visit President Kamala Harris in April 2022? Answer is option B, Santi Sethi. Key point is she is the first Indian American commander of a major US Navy combat ship, and she was also the first female commander of a US naval vessel of visit India. Okay, next है हमारा question 8. The Union Cabinet has approved the policy for use of land acquired under the in April 2022. Answer is option A, Coal Bearing Areas Act 1957. And the key point is the policy provides for the utilization of such land for the purpose of development relating to coal and energy. And the act provides for the acquisition of coal bearing lands and their visiting in a government company. Next है हमारा question number 9. Which birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was celebrated on 14th April 2022? Answer is option A, 131st anniversary. He was born on 14th April, and he established the Finance Commission of India, and he is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. This is very important key point. And he served as the first Minister of Law and Justice of India from August 29, 1947 to January 24, 1950. Question 10. Which Indian Institute of Technology (IIT) is celebrating the 10th edition of Research Scholars Festival from March 25th to April 25th, 2022? Answer is option D, IIT Madras. So ये हमारा 10th edition था Annual Research Scholars Fest का, and the key point is aim to bringing together research scholars and encouraging the free exchange of ideas and research interests. Next है question 11. What is the anti-tank guided which was launched by DRDO on 11th April 2022? Answer is option A, Helena. इसे कंडक्ट किया था DRDO ने. The key point is the fight test was jointly conducted by the teams of scientists from DRDO, the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force, and the missile is guided by an imaging infrared seeker, and the DRDO is inaugurated on 1958, and G. Satish Reddy is a chairperson of DRDO. Question 12. Which state hosting phase of Chelo India Ranking Women Archery Tournament 2022? Answer is option A, Jharkhand. The key point is the Sport Authority of India has approved a total amount of rupees 75 lakh to host the Chelo India National Ranking Women Archery Tournament over 6 phases. टोटल इसके 6 phases थे, and Tata Archery Academy Jamshedpur in Jharkhand is set to host the first phase of tournament on April 12 and 13. Question 14. Which regulatory body has reverted back to normal trending timings in market regulated by it? Answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. The key point is the trending in RBI regulates markets, which includes the money market, will start from the pre-pandemic timing of 9 a.m. and end to 3:30 p.m. Okay, but the currently market opening is at 10 a.m. Okay, and the revised timing for the market repo in government securities will be 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Okay. Next है question 15. Who will be honored with the first ever Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award? Answer is option A, PM Narendra Modi. And key point is this award ceremony will be held on 24th April 2022 in Mumbai. Question 16. Who has been conferred the 56th Gyanpith Award in April 2022? Answer is option A, Neelmani Phukan. Okay, this award is held on 11th April for the first time in Assam. Question. The Union Government Ministry has Swadesh Darshan Awards in different categories in March 2022. Answer is option 2. So number B, Ministry of Tourism. Key point is this award will highlight best practice including achievement of planned objectives, innovative approach, etc. And in this award has censored 76 projects. Okay, in 31 states and UT. Which day is celebrated as the World Health Day? Answer is option D, 7th April. So it was celebrated for the first time in 1950. Okay, and theme for 2022 is Our Planet, Our Health. Okay, this is the theme for 2022, and it was celebrated 1950 and it was established on 1948. Okay, next question 19. Which country has conducted a successful flight test of the surface medium range ballistic missile Sign 3rd? Option is C, Pakistan. And the key point is it can strike targets up to 2750 kilometer. Okay, and this missile was first tested in March 2015. फर्स्ट टाइम इसे टेस्ट किया गया था 2015 में. Question 20. Which day in 2022 was celebrated as Palm Sunday? Answer is option D, 10th of April. Okay, it is celebrated on 10th of April 2022. So this occasion denotes the arrival of Jesus, and it is the Sunday before Easter, that being the Holy Week. Question 21. In which state President Ram Nath Kovind inaugurated a 5-day Madhavpur Gate Fair on 10th April 2022? Answer is option C, Gujarat. Key point is this fair is held to celebrate the wedding of Lord Krishna and Goddess Rukmani at Madhavpur. इसे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है कृष्ण जी और रुक्मणी के विवाह के लिए. And this famous temple was originally built in 13th century. Okay. Question number 22. Which country's prime minister has been removed by the no confidence motion in April 2022? Answer is option C, Pakistan. He served as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan since 2018, and he was also a former cricketer, and the name is Imran Khan. Question 23. The Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has signed a contract with which army? Answer is option D, Nigeria. So the HAL has signed a contract with Nigerian army. Question number 24. Who became the first Indian pacer player to take 150 wickets in IPL history? Answer is option B, Bhuvneshwar Kumar. And the key point is Bhuvneshwar Kumar on 17th April 2022 became the first Indian pacer to reach the milestone of 150 wickets in the Indian Premier League history. Question number 25th. World Heritage Day is observed on option B, 18th April. The key point is World Heritage Day is also known as International Day for Monuments and Sites is observed on April 18th, and the day was first celebrated by UNESCO in 1983. Question number 26. PM of which country will participate in the Global Ayush Investment Summit of Gandhinagar? Answer is option D, Mauritius. Key point is the PM of Mauritius, Pravin Kumar, arrived in Mumbai on 17th April. On an 8-day visit of India till 24th April. Okay. And he will participated in the Global Ayush Investment at Innovation Summit in Gandhinagar on 28th April. Next question is 27. Who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of Tata Sons board in April 2022? Answer is option B, N. Chandrasekaran. And he joins Tata and Sons in October 2016. And he also chairs the board of operating companies such as Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Powers and TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. 27. Which country is going to establish transmission interconnection for renewable power transfer under one sun, one word and one grid? Is option A, Maldives. Next question number 28. Which cricketer has become the first player in IPL history to get retired out during the match in April 2022? Answer is option A, R. Ashwin. He scored 28 runs from 23 balls. Okay. And R. Ashwin became the first player in IPL history to get retired during the clash against Lucknow Super Giants in April 2022. Next question number 29. Question number 29. Which state government has launched a portal to redress grievances crop insurance in April 2022? Answer is option C, Haryana. So the key point is Haryana Agriculture Minister JP Dalal has launched a portal through which farmer can register crop insurance related grievances. And after registering a complaint, the portal will issue a ticket number to help track its status. So this is very important portal. Next question number 30. NITI Aayog Vice Chairman has resigned from his post on 22nd April 2022. Answer is option D, Rajiv Kumar. He took charges on September 1st, 2017. Okay. And Suman Beri will succeed him as a third vice chairman. And the full form of NITI is National Institute for Transforming India. And it was formed on 1st January 2015. And NITI Aayog is replaced the Planning Commission. ओके सो ये थे हमारे टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स अप्रैल मंथ के. आई होप यू लाइक माई वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.